Hi, Dr. Sam here. When I think about bacteria, viruses, allergies, and environmental toxins, I think about Echinacea Premium from MediHerb. Unlike most Echinacea preparations, MediHerb's Echinacea Premium is manufactured to pharmaceutical standard, which ensures the highest quality and consistent potency. Professor and herbalist Carrie Bone, founder of MediHerb, has spent the last 30 years in manufacturing and testing of this Echinacea product. When my patients need strong immune support and to ward off the elements and support upper respiratory tract health, I love to recommend MediHerb Echinacea Premium because of the science, research, and clinical results behind it. One way to be sure that you have an excellent quality Echinacea is to suck on the tablet for a few seconds and feel the tingling sensation on your tongue. These are the alkaloids which give Echinacea the ability to work as effective as it should.